Hello friends, welcome to my channel Programming with Ryan. In this class, we have learned that how to build a website into a printer version in only we use CSS in modern CSS, and I hope you can enjoy this class. Enjoy, like my video, share your friend, subscribe to my channel. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. You can and find this awesome videos. Okay, so I will not take your long time, so let's start. So now, first of all, I will go to the here, and here I will write Sublime Text Editor. So I will open my Sublime Text Editor. So now, first of all, here I will go, and now erase it. I will go to the file, new file. I will go to the here file, save as. Here I will go, and here I will write only index.html, and I will erase this. So here I will go, here I will write HTML, then tab it. So now first of all enter press, now HTML and tab. So now first of all here I will go, and here I'll go to the here. Now here done. Now I will go to the here cancel, open that, save here and refresh. So now done our. So now here I will go, and here I will write build. So here I will write transform website into a printer version in modern CSS/programming with Ryan. So till here my work is done. So here I will go, and here I will write style, tab 2 times, erase it, enter press. So copy it, paste it, erase it, go to the here. Now here I will go, and first of all here I will pick the background image URL. So here I will go here, and I will pick background image. So my background image should be like that. Free download. So it is downloaded. So I will pick this image to the here. Now here I will erase this. Now his name should be image. It is PNG or not, I will say yeah, it is PNG. So I will go to the here. Now here I will go, and here I will write image.png, save here, refresh. So my image is come, but it is not fit. Here I will write background attachment should be fixed, background position should be center, background repeat should be no repeat, background. So done our work. So now first of all done our work, and here I will go, and here I will write font family should be Montserrat, sans serif, save here, refresh. So now till here my work is done. Here you can see it. So now here I will go, and here I will go to the here, and here I will write P, and my P should be lorem tab, and here I will write done. So here I will BR tag tab, tab, and done. Save here, refresh. So it is also is come, but its size is very big. So I will go to the here, and now here I will write P font size should be 10 pixels. Save here, refresh. So 10 is too much big, I know 10 is big. So here 5, save here, refresh. So 5 is so small, so 5 not 8, save here, refresh. So 8 is better. So now here I will go, and here I will go to the here. Now here I will go, and here I will write H1, here I will write website, save here, refresh. So its size is very big. So here I will go H1 should be font font size will be, I will 10 pixel. Save here, refresh, so it is very small. 15, save here, refresh, so 15 is also small. 15 not. 17, save here, refresh. So till here my work is done. So now here I will go now. Done our work till here. Here I will write BR tag, save here, refresh. So now till here my work is done. But it is not C, so I will go to the here. Here I will write his color. Colors will be white. So here colors will be white. Save here, erase it, save here, refresh, done. Here is color also should be white. Save here, refresh, so it is done our work. Here you can see it easily. My website is done. So how to convert to the printer version? Right click, press the print. So here you can see it. It is come to in the printer version. Here you can see it. It is come to a printer version. Here you can see it. Here you can print the. Here you can go and write the print. So it is print out. Here you can see it. Easily I will tell you how to build a website, transform website to in the printer version in HTML and CSS. And I will only make simple website, and I will only show you how to transform the picture, how to transform to the in printer version. I will only tell you this. Okay, so I will meet you in next class. So for today, goodbye.